We have an offer coming in here, okay? So somebody's coming in to offer you something that's only for you, okay? They only want that with you. So they're showing here that they're going to be devoted, they're going to be committed, and it's coming in the next few months, okay? So do not sabotage this. It shows here that you may feel as though you're so used to toxic patterns and cycles that you might try and sabotage it yourself. So be careful of that. Just shows here that you need to learn from the past, okay? There are certain memories and things that are attached to you that could sabotage this. So we really need to move forward and let go of all of the past, okay? So we've had in a few months and now we've got in a few weeks. So it could be that you start talking to this person in a few weeks and in a few months it develops into this only you situation where it's much more committed. So that's quite quick. It's also giving us the next full moon. We've got a lot of time cards here, so the timeline's coming in for a reason. Maybe they're telling you to get ready. So you've got a few weeks till this person comes, a few months till this person's committed, and the next full moon could be around the time that this starts up. Okay, so they're just saying here, try and reflect on the past and move on from that, because it shows here you've still got some feelings attached to that and what went on with that. You might not be speaking to that person, but the damage that was done could still be there. So you need to move on and let go so that this real relationship, this correct relationship that's been waiting to come in, can come in. Shows here you may have been resisting this unknowingly because you're still thinking of the past and attached to the past, but this what's coming, it's like a gift, okay? It's gonna feel like the sun's come back up in your life, like everything is good again and that you can kind of breathe. I feel like in the past you were probably in some sort of love triangle, so you didn't get the time and attention and care that you deserved. But that person showed the true colours. It showed that they were stuck in a habit, and so now you've changed, moved away from that. But you know, it's difficult energetically. It takes a little bit longer to move away. So just take a look in the mirror, recognise what you need to change in order to open up for this new thing to see, allow things to come. That's what's going on here. This read is about you moving forward in silence, making those moves, progressing so you're ready for a healthy relationship, because there's a person here who wants to come in and take your stress away. This person is quite a strong character, okay? So they want to show you their way of doing it. I want to show you that there's a better way than what you've experienced, and that this person, as much as that's like an alpha male or a boss, queen boss energy, it's not a bad thing. This person just wants to show you that it doesn't always have to turn out bad, and it's going to be a bit of a shock for you because I think you've got used to accepting the bare minimum, being breadcrumbed, and this person's going to come in and shock you when they kind of give you everything you ever wanted. It also is a shock because it brings in clarity for you that in the past, what you thought was love or what you thought was relationships maybe wasn't. Okay, so this person is here to change your life, but you have to change it first. You're used to someone who runs off, you're used to people who rush in and then run away quickly. You've got people here who've had a bad reputation. Or have been elusive. This person is the opposite of all of these. This person is being brought in by the divine. This is fated. And the reason for that is because they want you to say goodbye to the past and move forward. So they're bringing in this real big energy that's kind of going to separate you from the past. There's separation and funeral. The past is definitely over. This person is going to make sure you never look back. They will come in with their true feelings. They will express themselves. What they say is what they mean, and they'll follow up those actions. This relationship will lead to a full commitment.